If your Jeep Compass AC just quit on a hot day, don't worry. You're not alone. Let's find out what's going on under the hood. First, check your AC settings. Make sure you didn't accidentally hit the heat button or set the fan too low. Next, listen for the sound of the AC compressor clicking on when you turn the AC to max. If you don't hear it, the compressor might be failing, or there could be an electrical problem. Another common issue is low refrigerant. If your Jeep is low on coolant, the air won't get cold. Sometimes, leaks in the system can cause this. You might notice oily spots under your car. That could be a sign of a leak. Also, check your cabin air filter. If it's clogged, airflow drops, and the AC can't keep up. Finally, look for warning lights on your dashboard. Sometimes, a simple blown fuse or a faulty sensor is all that's stopping your AC from working. If you try these steps and still have no luck, it's best to see a mechanic. Stay cool and safe out there.